Area actually salute now they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match talk about how you see am. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button. Turn on the notification so that anytime when we upload the bunker content, we're going to notify you. And don't forget to like this video, share and drop comments, and also share it with your friends and family. Liverpool Kondo and Chelsea Kondo, and we get Oga Hope. We be like say that don't get Chelsea fan if you look at income with that in Chelsea London blue. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Hope, now how you see your team performance today? Because this draw soup well now play with Liverpool, it be like say now gonna where they miss with Okra. How you see your team performance?
Well, my team performance today, I don't know if you say I go underrate them, say may I bring them down or raise them up. They do on average, right from the beginning of the season since we change coach. Is he said the performance of Chelsea drop and also Liverpool. So now race between 9 and 10, both of them we are very, very careful. Nobody won't concede. Nobody won't say, may slack, may the other person score to top each other. So for today performance, I believe say today is more better than that of Fulham match. It's more better than that of Fulham match. You know, say that of Fulham match, we say the guy when we say they come on, waiting my way get record. That's Joe Felix. Now immediately when that guy come out, now that game die for that Chelsea Fulham. But with this one now, they step up their game. But there are some individual performances when we say, as if for that pitch, we're not supposed to be so. When the coach himself, as a coach, supposed get up, pass instruction, give the players, he no do them. I don't like the way the coach let the feed the issue at instruction, give the players.
So if I dey hear you now, Oga Hope, you talk say improvement there for what you see, but you still get one or two things when you believe say make the coach amend. But I want to ask you about one of Chelsea new signing when play. We see small thing for him. We see small thing when he go fit do. Just give us small highlight. But make we hear from you when be Chelsea fan. Tell us about what you see from Mudryk. Because this player, we know say the talk when they don't talk about this player, we hear when we're today for year, we hear for social media and different places. What do you get to talk about? What do you small highlights when you see from Mudryk today?
Well, as of that player, Mudryk, in performance for today, he show of waiting they buy him for. But I believe in say if Chelsea team don't stabilize now, we will see more of that guy. The guy don't show one of two performance. If say in converts that goal of beating 1 or 2, 3 persons, enter the 18 score. For now, no say yes. But as it stands now, that guy need more support. He needs creative players like Cam. We go take that club up to their own mind. Say, this is my club. This is where I earn my daily bread. So the guy no come dolly. He won't come showcase because he no say the amount. Just like my friend was stand there, they talk. Say, see player who will sign for 100 million, will come snatch the player from Arsenal. So the guy now get to improve himself. Get to prove himself, say, the money where they pay him, they don't pay and say, income dolly or income, say, may he just relax. No. He can't showcase, say, see, waiting on and see in me before I pay that kind of money to sign me. And that thing now won't come display, give honor. Then I'm waiting and see for the guy. The guy play ball. The guy play ball. But I am looking forward to see more of him playing pattern. Because for now, just a few, let's say 25 minutes, then when he plays. And he don't show us, say, it can be fitting. If Paraventure say we'll get a coach that can give instruction to the players and to play according to the instruction of the coach, not to your own. So the guy go there, showcasing talent. Tell Chelsea, say, and I'm spending 100 million for my head, no be waste. So I see a very good signing for Chelsea. Forget about the money. A very good player.
Yeah, talking about signings now, I want to ask you, Oga Hope, because we see the plenty money where be like say Chelsea they use the sign players for inside this transfer window. I want to ask you about the manager now. When the owners they spend this kind of money, that one means say they believe this man, they get faith. But even for a year when we watch the game today, we see some people say some people don't believe him. We see say some people they say okay, maybe give him some more time. But you as a Chelsea fan, with all these signings when the man they make now, we go talk say, but this one are the coach signing. We don't see here say they reject 55 million for Moses Caicedo the way they play for Brighton, that midfielder from Chelsea. With all this plenty money when the coach and the club they use the sign players, how long do you think say fans need to be patient with this manager.
Baba, see, the manager himself no say Chelsea pattern of football no be where Chelsea supposed to stay. That is number one when he go carry for mind. And again, two, with the players where they decide they give them. Now, based on the non-contract where they give them for the future, that is for the project when we say Chelsea say now they won't build, and that is why they are giving him time. If this man was signed by the former owner, because this one a new era, they don't give him the time when they give him, and I see they go. Now, where he be say the owner of the club go damn mad now when he be say at the end of the day upon all his signing, just remain for that 10th position and cannot even draw close to UEFA Europa or Conference League. My brother, that man with the opportunity where you don't give him, I don't just say that man go get that patient to reach. Now all the players whether he's appoint say I need this player, I mean at the owner of the club now need those players signed, give them. He give them based on the terms of the contract and the project where we say they want to execute for the club. Because I look and say, the man won't do away with the old players. When we say no, if they bring their mind to play ball. If you want for the old players now, when they pitch now, the double say that Thiago Silva, now be the all and all where they that pitch. With the class say they never give ziyech the opportunity. But now you know the safe game, 90 minutes. See all the crossing. If now before for ziyech, we know we have ziyech, they drop the crossing. They wait for who go not. But this one now, he go cross, he go to away ball, he go cross, he go to away ball. My brother, for now, I believe say the players, when we say this manager they manage, he's not managing them very well. You know they manage them. Just like say the players big pass and they get money pass them. To get up, see your club now, he dey touch line. No matter what they play and how pressure they, your club they get up, they even issue as instruction. Even when the referee they make mistake.
But every coach with their different style. I know every manager could stand like that.
My brother, not be every coach they stand like that, but every coach when your team are not playing well, they are not playing to your instruction. You have all it takes. Watch Mourinho. Mourinho cannot stand on the table. Watch Ateta when we said today for Arsenal, we Arsenal day. Watch why the guy they there for touchline. You, okay, if you sit down there, your assistant coach, you know they stand up. You know they stand up. Then when something happens, they put us together with your assistant coach. Then what it show the improvement or what it show as a coach, say this one an instruction when you issue out to the players and for the players to follow. So the best thing for Chelsea to stand up their right is for the owner of the club to call this man to order. If you continue like this, for spending this guy huge amount of money, now that they call now for just 1 or 2 seasons now, okay, 1 season, we don't spend 600 and something million. And the 600 and something million when you don't spend, you don't invest for the club, you're not seeing any gain out of it. If now you go happy, say you spend that huge amount of money and you're not showing anything, and you remain in 10th position. You don't play 4 or 5 matches, still 10th position. You will get 1 draw, you will get 1 winning, you will get 1 lose, just like that. And you know they even climb past that particular place. My guy, we are doing nothing, and the man is not doing anything at all. So the best way is neither we change the coach or they give him 1 or 2, 3 matches. If he cannot perform, they push him out of the door. That is my own take on that issue.
All right, now, Gakpo, thank you for your time. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I time for us to take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.